What's up, guys? Today just wanted to give you a quick demonstration of how these storage bins hold up over time. I have had this 5x10 storage unit for about the last year and just got back to it for the first time, and obviously they are holding up great. I am so impressed with their durability and their ability to stack and actually give you a decent amount of weight and load bearing support. These boxes are not light by any means. They're actually incredibly heavy, a lot of them. But as you can see, I think I have them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are 6 high and still holding up really, really well. So really impressed on my end. If you are looking for a storage solution like this, check them out. They have worked really well for me. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.